Let us solve one problem from gate physics. So the problem states that a particle of mass m moves under a central potential Vr is given by minus of k by r. Then what is the total energy of the particle in terms of angular momentum L and k? So the total energy can be written in this form. So total energy is E equal to, we can write L square by 2m r square minus k by r, right? So minimizing the energy with respect to r we get, so minimizing, so dE by dr equal to minus L square by m r cube plus k by r square equal to 0, then implies that we have r equal to L square by mk, right? We'll substitute back into the equation. So we have E equal to mk square by 2L square minus mk square by L square. So it will come minus mk square by 2L square. So the required energy expression is E equal to minus mk square by 2L square. So hope the solution as well as the problem is clear. So thanks a lot.